hoping that we'll catch one fish at least there, right? The small ones, right?
I almost guarantee it.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इंडो कनेडियन देसी। आई होप आप सब लोग बहुत बढ़िया होंगे। तो गाइस, आज मैं जा रहा हूँ एक फिशिंग ट्रिप पे। ये मेरी फर्स्ट फिशिंग ट्रिप है जहाँ पे हम फिश कैच करने जा रहे हैं। मेरा भी फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस है, तो वहाँ पे जाता हूँ आपको लेके। अभी कोई है जिनके साथ मैं जा रहा हूँ, पहले उनके घर जाना है एंड वहाँ से उनके पास इक्विपमेंट्स वगैरह सब पिक करनी है। फिर जैसे जैसे आज हम फिशिंग करते हैं और जिस जिस एरिया में जाके फिशिंग करते हैं वो सब मैं आपसे पूरे वीडियो में शेयर करूंगा, तो पूरे वीडियो में बने रहिए। सो गाइस, अब हम पहुंच गए मार्कम एंड आई हैव डोमिनिक विद मी हु विल बी आवर फिशिंग गुरु फॉर टुडे। And we've got all the equipments in the back, and these are from Dominic. And once we reach the place that we are going, Dominic will guide us how we can use this equipment and how the base and everything works.
Exactly.
So, Dominic, you want to say hello?
Hi everyone.
And where are we going first?
We're going to Lake Scugog, which is about a 45-minute to an hour drive out of Toronto.
Okay. Perfect. So we are planning to go to two places. The first one that Dominic mentioned, we are going there, and we're hoping that we'll catch one fish at least there, right? The small ones, right?
I almost guarantee it. Almost guarantee it. So there will be a lot of fun today. Raman will be introduced to fishing, and we'll see how it goes.
And as I told you guys, this is my first time, so really looking forward to it. And we'll keep you posted. So please stay tuned, watch the whole video, and I'll keep posting wherever we go and how we are catching the fish and how we are preparing the whole process.
Come out with none, you stop so done. You had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. 'Cause I gotta focus.
So guys, we have reached Port Perry, and now we are going towards Lake Scugog. Yeah, so this is 50 minutes approximately from Markham, and now we are on the way. Dominic is driving.
Hi.
And we were talking about what kind of fishes we can get at Lake Scugog. So you were telling like 3-4 different kind of fishes we can get, right?
Yes. So you can catch sunfish. There's perch, rock bass, and crappie. So we will see one of those species very, very soon.
And also, I was talking to Dominic about the licensing. It sounds like there are some licenses which are required if you want to do fishing. Again, there are some exceptions, right? At some places you can do it without the license. Like today, the park that we are going, the lake where we are going, we don't need a license for that. But otherwise, I think you can add more details to it.
Yes. So there are free fishing weekends and days throughout the year. So we are now on a day where we don't need a license to fish. So otherwise, there is a license required. Approximately, depending on what type of license you want, it can range between about $20 per year to about $30 per year. So pretty moderate compared to that particular. Pretty moderate. It's not too expensive.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'll also get the link, the website that Dominic was telling me about, and I'm planning to get the license myself. I was just telling him that it sounds like a very good summer activity. So and I'll also share the link in the reference below for the site where you can get the license, and also the link where you can refer information about the parks, whether you get like what fishes you can fish in what season. There are some restrictions around it, so I'll share that link as well. So अभी we are taking out our stuff. ये आ गया एक foldable chair, and Dominic, I'll help him explain what these equipments are and what a beginner can use and what a pro should use, because Dominic is a pro in fishing.
Right.
So
Using these two rods specifically because they are meant for the panfish that we're going for. So we'll be using these two only at this spot.
okay,
Yep.
so these two only on the spot. Okay.
Yep. Yep.
And are these good if a beginner wants to start fishing?
Oh.
Are these two good enough?
These are perfect. So at the lake, I'll explain these a little bit more,
Okay.
just how this works, and we will see Raman catch his first fish.
Hopefully, looking forward to it.
Like the other stuff here is more for like the bigger species of fish. So these ones are. This is just what you need if you want to start out fishing and catch some panfish.
Perfect.
Yep.
So this bucket will be used for storing the fishes.
Exactly.
The ones that we want to keep.
Exactly. And for panfish, the secret is worms. These are the best things you can buy. You can buy them from local fishing stores or in some places gas stations. So they're pretty inexpensive. I would say you can get in some places 2 dozen worms for $6. So, and this would last a long time. So
And
more
this
than
will be
enough.
used as baits, right?
This
to
will be
catch the
used as
fish.
bait. And yeah, this is like, if you use this, you're gonna have a good day.
I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late.
For this setup, there's going to be first of all, something to help the lure float in the water. This is normally a bobber or a float. And then below that, depending on how deep the water is, you have something like a weight and a hook. So this one has a weight and a hook together.
Okay.
So what will happen is this will sit on top of the water, something like this. And then when the fish pulls it underneath the water, it'll mean there is something on the line and it's biting your lure. So this is a visual indication that you have a bite on the lure below.
So it will go up and down,
Up
and
and
we
down.
know some fish has caught the bait.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. So this is your indicator right there. If something is touching your lure.
Okay. And we'll be putting the bait.
Exactly, right
Over
on this
here.
hook here. So,
Okay.
So for panfish, what I'd recommend is not too big of a hook. They don't have huge mouths, so you want to make sure that it's something that can fit in their mouth. So not too big of a hook. Just gonna bite this, and then it'll get hooked, and then you pull afterwards. So what you do here is you have your lure out there now. To let go the line, you just open this bail. So now the line would actually flow outwards.
Okay.
So the easiest thing you can do is look at this like a pendulum. Keep on swinging it, and then when it's out far out, let go the line.
Okay.
That's it. So now all you're doing now is you're just waiting for the bite.
Some people just swing towards the back and then they throw it.
Yes. So if you want to cast really far, that's an option.
Okay.
But if you just need to throw in front of you, then
So
you
this is
don't-
good.
Then this is good enough.
Stack, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna
Don't hold it from the back and go up, because you can get hooked by the fins here at the back and the fins here at the bottom. If you want to hold it, go top down. So hold it like this. Now that fish cannot poke you. Alright, awesome. This is a different species. This one is called yellow perch. You can see that it's a little bit more narrow and long. And you can tell because it has the stripes that go downward here as well. So,
This is our 15, 16 fish that we have caught.
you guys try?
Yeah, I'll hold it. Oh, okay. Which one?
I don't know. We lost count.
13 or 14, I think. This is the biggest fish we have caught so far. And we have caught almost, this is 19th, I think so.
Yeah.
19th fish. It's huge. Again, a sunfish, but really big. So we are done with fishing, and after that we decided to come to Frederick for a dinner. And right now we have ordered, what is this, chicken soup? Hot and sour soup. Thank you. And we have ordered chicken pakoda, and we are waiting for the rest of the meal here. So our fishing experience, thank you Dominic for guiding me throughout the day. We caught almost 30 fishes. We had 4 kinds of fishes, right? Sunfish, rock bass, perch,
and crappie.
and crappie. Yes. So we caught 30 fishes, and we let most of them go. And after that, we also went for bass fishing, right?
fishing, yeah.
And we spent almost 2 hours. We did saw some explosions in the water where we could see the fish was trying to catch our bait, but it didn't fall into the trap.
Yeah, not as successful for the bass.
Yeah.
But sunfish and the panfish were really successful.
Yes.
Yeah.
So all the whole, an amazing day, and thank you Dominic for amazing experience and amazing meal.
No problem.
The whole day is sponsored by Dominic.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good meal after a long day. It's always good.
So amazing experience, and I'll also be sharing the links that Dominic will provide me for the website, so that if you guys need to request a license, you want to get more information about the parks where you can do the fishing and what kind of fishes you can actually you can catch during the respective seasons, you will have more better idea about that. So for now, I think we'll enjoy our meal
Exactly.
and we'll end today's video right here. Thank you so much, Dominic.
No problem.
And okay, guys, so I'll be back later with another video. For now, signing out, Indo Canadian Desi.